Someone left a negative comment on something you posted to one of your social media networks, and you don't know what to do. Should you delete it immediately? Should you reply in anger? Or should you just let it go? But as social media managers or business owners or marketing professionals, sometimes we struggle with how should we handle those comments. So we typically walk our clients through these 3 steps before deciding what to do with a negative comment on something they posted. Let's dive in. The first step in dealing with a negative comment on a social media post is don't react, first reflect. It's easy to fly off the handle in response to a negative comment someone leaves on something that you posted, especially if you're passionate about it. Please don't take it personally. Instead, take a moment to consider the perspective and intent of that comment. Was it coming from a place of passion, frustration, or maybe just a desire to be heard? That doesn't make it right, but always have an open mind and an empathetic approach to your online interactions with people. The second thing you want to do is discern before you delete. While it may be your gut reaction to delete the post or the comment, we encourage our clients to first consider a few things. First off, if it's vulgar, a form of online harassment or bullying, delete it immediately. Otherwise, look for an appropriate way to address the comment if you can. Look at this as an opportunity to show your followers that you're actually listening to them and not just posting and ghosting. The third and final step is to opt for an offline conversation. This is really important. It's no secret that oftentimes people develop keyboard courage and say some not so nice things on social media. At Revox, we've learned that a good old-fashioned phone call or a face-to-face conversations help remedy a social media disagreement. Try sending a direct message to that person. Ask them if you can answer any questions or concerns that they might have, or go the extra step and provide your contact information for follow-up. Sometimes you will shock the naysayers with kindness. Now, if you found these tips helpful, please consider signing up for the Revox Resource email newsletter for more great social media tips, tools, and trends. You can do that at revoxsocial.com. Let us know if you need any help making social media simple for your business or organization.